Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the introduction to GRES for GHS. Here are some facts about GRES for GHS. GRES stands for Guided Research. It is a program inspired by the university program of Dr. Barbara Wong Fernandez, who is a previous Vice President for Academic Affairs and a Research Director of the university. It is running for 4 years now. When we talk about GRES for GHS, there are some objectives that we want to look at and give to our students. The first one is the collaboration. The collaboration is the 21st century skills that all of your student needs to have. And there's also a preparation for your senior high school and for your further academic activity. And the last one is an advancement where this is a special program for the 10th graders in the junior high school of JRU. At this point of time, we will now start looking back on the history of the research program of the junior high school. This is the timeline of the history of the research program. We started school year 2018-2019, and this research program started by Dr. Alcaide and Mr. Reyes. The research program during that time is integrated into two subjects, business technology and English language. Continuing in the school year 2019-2020, this project was continued and led by Mr. Trangia, who is also a faculty of the junior high school during that time. This is also a challenging year because this is the early onset of the pandemic. However, those researches were done having their defense in the February of year 2020. During the pandemic in the school year 2020-2021, even there's a full online implementation, the research program was being continued and led by Mrs. De Guzman. And this year, the research that was conducted are mostly qualitative research. In the school year 2021-2022, this is the year where I started the series for JHS, and this is the year one. During the year one, there are 52 projects that was created. These projects were having a method of quantitative, qualitative, and mix. Continuing in the school year 2022-2023, where the high-flex modality was being used by the institution in the junior high school, the series for JHS Year 2 continued with 49 projects. And in this time, there are also in the 49 projects, it varies from quantitative, qualitative, and mixed method. Continuing in school year 2023-2024, GRES for JHS Year 3 was done, and there are 35 projects completed at that time. And the method used are quantitative, qualitative, and mixed method. Now, this is now your opportunity to be part of the research program of the junior high school for the student. And this is now what we call the GRES for JHS Year 4. The key points of the program are as follows. It is a special program for all, so all students of the grade 10 are having this program and integrated in all of their subjects. These subjects technically are from business technology, English language, Filipino, mathematics, MAPE, social studies, and science. It is a collaboration from first quarter to fourth quarter, so this will be integrated in all of your subjects. That's why it was scheduled every Friday. This is an output-based activity where the output of every research project is a video presentation starting first quarter to fourth quarter. However, during the fourth quarter, there are three outputs, and we will discuss that further later. This program is very technology-driven, where we're working on a paperless concept and mostly managed through the learning management system, which is the Canvas. Another is the research program is really has a priority on the ethics and the values for this project. So this would be discussed also on the rules and regulation and the guidelines on how to do your research and what would be its implication on your other subject and other activities. Thank you for watching this video. Hoping you have an idea about the GIRAS for JHS program. Once again, this is Mr. Roberto League Jr., your advisor for GIRAS for JHS Year 4.